is a magic marker. You want to see how it works?
Oh yes, Mama.
Okay, then let me draw a snowman for you. Okay? Okay, Amaira, now let me put some magic sparkles on it, okay? Wow! See? It's coming out from the board! Wow!
Wow! Mama, I'm feeling so cool. Oh no! Snow is falling. Look up. It's freezing. Look, Mama, snowman is here.
Okay, Amaira, let me draw a sun. It will make us warm. Okay, a big circle and some magic sparkles.
Mama, the sun is here. Now I'm feeling so warm. The ice is melting.
Okay, Amaira, now I will draw a volcano for you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's sparkle the magic. Ooh.
What's happening?
What's happening? I started feeling very hot, Amaira. What is coming?
Mama! Look, that's the first one. Mama, it's lava. I'm getting very scared.
Don't worry, Amaira. I will draw a clouds and the rain will come down.
Okay, hurry. Mama, hurry. The lava's getting so high. You're going to touch me. Hurry, quickly.
Okay. Wait, Amaira.
It's getting so close.
Don't worry, Amaira. I am making the clouds.
It's going faster. Hurry.
Now let me put the magic sparkles. See, clouds are coming.
Mama, the lava's gone. The rain is coming. Where's my magic umbrella? Ooh. Oh, here it is. Now how we open this? What's it? Oh. Feeling much better. Mama, it's so much water here on the ground. And it's so fishy. I like it. Yippee! Let's jump in butter. It's so fun.
Amaira, who brought this monster here? Oh, the monster is coming. Run, Amaira, run.
Coming. Mama, monster's coming. Run with me.
Okay, Amaira, let me rub it, okay? Don't worry, Amaira, the scary monster will be gone. See, it's done.